Hi guys, welcome back. I'm showing you a video here of me going up on the roof and doing a little bit of scoping of the moon and actually streaming what I'm scoping. So I did go up last night. And it was a beautiful clear night. A lot of mosquitoes though, unfortunately, but I did go up and did manage to get the moon into the picture a little bit. I did try to get Saturn in there as well, but trying to adjust the camera and the fact that the mount wasn't tracking properly on the telescope kind of give me a real hard time. That's why you're seeing the moon drifting across the screen. The tracking is not working at all or very well. So I'm not sure what the scoop was with that. I did try to reset it several times, and that just did not cure it. You know, made sure time, location, everything was good. So, and yes, it was set on lunar, not solar, but still, it was drifting on by pretty quickly. Anyway, guys, so yeah, you can see that using the Celestron AstroFi 130 millimeter Newt as far as the telescope, and I've got the NexImage 10 camera on there by Celestron, and didn't work out too bad. Picture's fairly clear. Seeing was not so bad last night. Little bit of degradation because we're going from the scope to the laptop and then via the laptop through TeamViewer to the laptop that's actually doing the streaming. So it's kind of a little bit of a rigmarole to get it all going. But hey, when you're looking at these images, we can see some pretty good craters up top there. See the mare without any problems. So actually, you know, for streaming, it actually turned out fairly well, other than the tracking issue. I'm gonna have to look into that. I noticed that this AstroFi does not track very well. I've tried, you know, doing multiple alignments on it, and it just, you do the 3-star alignment, it's still doing what it's doing, and then you reset it, and then all of a sudden it'll work again. But I did speak with the people at Celestron. They recommended upgrading or flashing the firmware, and that should fix the issue. So it sounds like it was a known issue. Anyway, looking at what we can see, yeah, we can see all kinds of neat stuff happening there. So as it drifts by, you do have a fairly good view of the moon. You can kind of see the south camera looking through on the bottom left, and the light spot there, that's where the actual moon is. It's kind of hiding between or by the trees there, and I did manage to move the scope over on the roof far enough that I was able to actually get clear of those trees. So anyway, I don't really want to bore you to death with just looking at the moon, although it is fascinating and interesting. My goal yesterday was really to try to get a shot of Saturn, since that was my last night of my vacation, and that's basically the only night that was really super clear. So I did get Saturn just slightly before doing the setup for the moon, and the resultant, well, I'll show you the video and then you guys can see, but I did have the same problem, things just drifting on away from me because it's not tracking correctly. But anyway, I've got it loaded up here, so we're going to show you the video of Saturn as it's going by. It's not that big because I actually use the DSLR to do the Saturn ones rather than the NexImage 10. I thought it was just a little easier for me to find it, and even that was all kinds of issues yesterday. But anyway, here comes the footage of Saturn, and then after that some still shots after Reggie stacks, which didn't turn out too bad.
That works.
Sorry for the jiggling, but anyway, there's Saturn cruising on by. It doesn't look too bad. And then I had the other video here where I actually flipped the camera over the other direction and was able to get a little bit there as it was sliding away. And this one is zoomed in by 3 times digitally. So but anyway, here's the pictures. End result is what I got was that for a Saturn picture, which is not so bad. No big color in it or anything, but it's clean enough. And this was the other picture I took. Not too bad. 3 times digital zoom enhancement on there. Anyway, guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. All that nice stuff. Bye for now.